Welcome to Oita in Japan. This is Oita Station. There are cute signs showing how to enjoy the onsen. First, you take off the clothes at the hot spring. Pour hot water on yourself. Wash your head and your body. Enjoy half body bathing and full body bathing while watching the sounds and the scenery of nature. Sometimes I get out of the hot water and take a break while feeling the wind. Immerse yourself in the same tub and become friends. Please wipe your body and don't wash the onsen water off and go to the dressing room. Rest and slowly rehydrate. Today it is rainy and also a little cold for a summer day. So we decided to visit the onsen. An onsen is a natural hot spring and very healthy for your body. When you enter, there are lockers, so take off your shoes and put them in the lockers. Behind that is the entrance hall, with lots of vending machines. Today we booked a private onsen, since it's forbidden to bring a camera into the big onsen. After entering the room, there is some space to relax and change. Next to that is the bathing room with the big onsen tub. With the washing space to wash your body before going into the tub. At the reception, you get a small coin to fill up the tub. Once you throw in the coin, the bathtub starts filling up at amazing speeds. To fill the complete onsen tub, it took around 10 to 12 minutes. But you spend some time washing your body before taking the onsen, so the time is not wasted. The small green hole is to cool down the water in case it is too hot. After that, you can just relax in the onsen and enjoy the hot water with the sound of the rain falling while looking out of the window. After bathing, don't rinse off the onsen water. Just dry your body with a towel and leave the minerals on your body so your skin can absorb it. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please ask in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please click the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of Japan. Now, relax and listen to the sound of rain and the onsen.